Hello! In this video I will review and unbox the Epson EcoTank printer. The following will be covered and you can find more content about printers on my channel. Let me review the key product specs. This model is 4-in-1 multifunctional device with automatic document feeder called ADF. To operate, you find a small color LCD display. On the product specs side, you find different print speed figures. So let me put some documents to the ADF and check the copy speed. You find the speed test on this model in the upper right corner of the screen. While printer is copying, let me put the ink capacities on the screen. I don't wait to finish this copy as I move on with my review. The ink tanks are integrated on the right side. And when you fill up the inks to the printer, you need to pay attention to put the right ink in the right sub-tank. You can also see the ink levels, but you need to check it a little bit closer. The ink refill is supposed to be clean and spill-free. For paper capacity, there is one tray from the back which can take up to 100 pages of office paper. Let's see about connectivity, where you find key mobile print features supported, including Ethernet connection. The main app is Epson's Smart Panel, which nicely chats during the setup process. I will set up the printer and connect to network in the video in the upper right corner of the screen. Here I just walk through the Epson Smart Panel app and show the print and scan features. This model is targeted for home office users, which may need to print the PDF from the mobile. Let's print and check the print speed. The document has been printed, and let me check the ink water resistance. This ink is not water resistant, because there is no pigment ink in this model. Finally, let's put some photomedia to the printer and select the correct size via the screen. I print a photo from the mobile, and I will speed up the photo print not to be too long. This printer can print borderless in photo quality, but there is too much contrast and sharpness added by default. See my photo quality comparison between the 4-ink and 6-ink printers in the upper right corner of the screen. In the second part of this video I will show what is in the box with this EcoTank model. After unboxing, remove all the blue tapes from the printer to get it ready for setup. In the manuals you find the QR code, which guides you to download the app, which will interactively walk you through the product setup. And I cover the setup in my next video, and that would be all in this video. Find more about printers on my channel, feel free to comment, ask questions, please subscribe, turn on the bell, and thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!